We've been hearing about them every single day for months now. We're also hearing conflicting reports about the effect these tariffs will have on our everyday lives. Some opportunists are already raising prices. We see it every day. It's all so confusing. The truth is, at this point, nobody knows for sure what's next with these tariffs. But here's something you can count on. Every single new and used vehicle currently at any Sunset Auto Family dealership is unaffected by these impending tariffs. There's been no increase of prices, not a penny. Here's another fact. Because of the threat of these tariffs, your trade may well be increasing in value. We're seeing book values actually go up. Nothing confusing about this fact. You can save money right now at any Sunset dealership and get warranty protection for life and oil changes for life included with every qualifying vehicle. And this will save you thousands down the road. It's a Sunset exclusive. You just get more at Sunset. Like the truth about tariffs. And people do like that.